Alrighty, boys and girls, today we are going to play a game called Stand Up, Sit Down. Now, in order to play this game, you have to be very good listeners because in order to play it, I'm going to tell you an equation with my mouth, with my words. And if you're not listening with your listening ears, you are not going to be able to hear the equation I say. Now, I'm going to say an equation. It could be 7 plus 3, 5 plus 2, or it could be an equation that subtracts, like 13 minus 2 or 7 minus 5. Your job is to listen to the equation I tell you and then determine, does that equation equal 10? For instance, say I gave you the equation 7 plus 3. You guys need to think in your heads, does that equal 10? Now here's my rule, boys and girls. If my equation equals 10, remember, it might be addition, it might be subtraction. But if it equals 10, you're gonna stand on up on your feet. But if I give you an equation and you think in your head, that does not equal 10, you need to sit on down on your bottom. So let's try a few times just to practice and see if we can get this down. You guys ready to be good listeners? Okay, here's your first equation. 6 plus 4. All right, think in your heads. Think in your heads. I'm gonna give you on the count of 3, and I want you to either stay standing or sit down. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now here's another one. Remember, be thinking, does it equal 10? If it equals 10, you're gonna stay standing. If it does not equal 10, you are gonna sit down on your bottom. Here's your next one. Let's do 13 minus 2. Okay, think in your heads, think in your heads. If it equals 10, you're gonna stay standing. If it does not equal 10, you're going to sit down on your bottoms. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's right, everybody sit down on your bottoms. What does 13 minus 2 equal? That's right, it equals 11. Now stay sitting. I'm gonna give you your next equation. Are you ready? All right, let's do 9 plus 1. Think in your heads, think in your heads. 3, 2, 1. Good job. You guys all stood up because 9 plus 1 equals, that's right, 10.